Hello, this is a video tour of number 68 Blenheim Road, located in Moseley. The house is a mid-terrace period property that does offer 4 bedrooms. Leading to the property, there is a driveway laid with blue bricks. You'll note that there is an original style wall on the left. There is a bedding area laid with slate below the bay window. There is an original style main entrance door with a window over and also an original style open canopy. Leading into the property, firstly there is an entrance vestibule. In the vestibule there is decorative coving, a door with stained glass with a window over, and there is also a cupboard housing the meters. And there is an original style Minton tiled floor, and that does lead through into the hallway. In the hallway there are 2 ceiling light points, partial decorative coving, there is a decorative feature archway, there is also a radiator, and you have the tiled floor. And on the left there are doors to reception room number 1 and also number 2. Reception room number 1 is situated at the front of the house. In here there is an original style bay window with stained glass windows overlooking the driveway. There is a ceiling light point with a rose, decorative coving, a picture rail, radiator, and there is an inset original style fireplace sat on a granite hearth. Reception room number 2 does have a window overlooking the side return of the property. There is a ceiling light point, decorative coving, radiator, wood effect flooring, an inset original style fireplace with the tiles surround and also hearth. There is also fitted shelving and a storage cupboard on the left of the chimney breast. Got the view of the side return. At the end of the entrance hall there is a staircase leading to the first floor accommodation, and there is a small step down past a radiator into a lobby area where there is access into the dining kitchen, the side return via the doorway ahead, door to the cellar, and also there is a door to the ground floor WC which has 2 ceiling spotlights, low-level flush WC, wall-mounted hand basin with a mixer tap, tiled flooring, and there is a radiator situated behind the door. In the dining kitchen, there are French doors which are currently open into the garden. On the left there are 2 sash windows. Above the dining area there is a skylight, and throughout the room there are a range of ceiling spotlights. The kitchen mainly comprises of a range of wall and base units with woodwork surfaces over. There is an inset Belfast style sink with a mixer tap over. There is an integrated dishwasher, integral bin and washing machine. On the right there is space for a range style cooker with a cooker hood over, and there is also space for a standing fridge freezer. You'll note that there is also under counter lights as well. In the dining area there is plenty of space for a good sized table and also living furniture as well. And ahead you can see the view out into the rear garden from the room. The cellar is accessed via the lobby with a staircase leading down into one room where there is a ceiling light point and space for storage, and there is an elevated shelf on the left. You'll see that there is space for a tumble dryer as well down here. The first floor of the property is accessed via the entrance hall with a staircase with a turning point leading up to a split level landing area where there is an original style sash window to the side. There is a ceiling light point, radiator, and there is access to bedrooms 1 to 3 and also the family bathroom. Bedroom number 1 is situated at the front of the house. You'll note on the left there is a door to an understairs storage cupboard, and there is the door into the first bedroom. Inside the bedroom there are 3 original style sash windows overlooking the front of the property. There are 2 ceiling light points, a picture rail. There is an inset, an original style cast iron fireplace which is sat on a tiled hearth. Either side of the chimney breast there are built-in wardrobes with overhead storage. There is also a radiator as well in the room. Bedroom number 2 does have a sash window overlooking the rear garden. Inside the room there is a ceiling light point, a radiator, and an inset original style cast iron fireplace with a quarry tiled hearth. Bedroom number 3 is located at the rear of the house. In the room there is a window overlooking the rear garden, a ceiling light point, cast iron fireplace on the chimney breast, and there is a radiator located beneath the window. Lastly, the family bathroom is located on the right. In the room there is an original style sash obscured window to the side. In the room there are a range of ceiling spotlights. There is a Victorian style low level flush WC, pedestal wash hand basin, Victorian style column radiator with a heated towel rail. There is an enclosed corner shower cubicle with a Victorian style shower head over. There is also a claw-footed roll-top tub with a telephone style mixer tap with a shower head over. You'll note that there is panelling to half height in the room and the flooring is laid with tiles. Bedroom number 4 is located at the top of the staircase ahead. At the top of the stairwell there is a small skylight to the rear, and then there is a doorway opening through into bedroom number 4. In the bedroom there are 2 original style sash windows to the front of the property. There is a ceiling light point, radiator, and there is a loft hatch. As previously mentioned, the garden can be accessed via the kitchen and also a door from the lobby, which does provide a step down to a blue brick laid pathway with storage space and slated chips either side. There is then access to a paved pathway which does lead round to the rear of the extension, where there is a good size seating area. From the seating area there are steps down onto a lawn, and either side of the lawn on both the left and the right hand side there are planted borders. Lastly, at the rear of the garden there is an original style brick wall. If you are interested in arranging a viewing of the house, please call the office on the number provided and we will look forward to speaking to you soon.